Hey guys, this is Alco1993 and I have a Carnivine G Blister pack which I'm going to open in this video. So let's see what's inside. We have the coin, which is a Rayquaza coin. We have the Carnivine G promo card. Then we have 3 packs. 2 Rising Rivals, 1 Majestic Dawn. I'll start with the Rising Rivals Rotom one. Alright, we got Gliscor 4, Kecleon, Shellos, Kakuna, Carvana, Laron, Glaceon, Alakazam. Reverse is an Electro G. And the rare Arcanine Hollow. Awesome. Haha. Already got that one for my Ignition theme deck, but another one is always good. Now for the Majestic Dawn pack. We got Chirtwig, Glameow, Hippopotas, Energy Search, Starly, Manectric, Energy Restore, Grottle. The reverse is a Starly, and the rare Bronzong. Well, pretty good card. Now for the last pack of Rising Rivals. We got Growlithe, Coughing, Nidorina, Shellos East Sea, Munchlax, Glaceon, Volknish Philosophy, Pokemon Contest Hall, the reverse Rapidash 4. That's my second reverse Rapidash 4. And then the rare Gastrodon East Sea. Not really good pulls in this pack, but in all, I got some pretty decent cards, so I'm not unhappy or something. Well, rate, comment, subscribe. See you guys next time.